is Megan Lambick, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in downtown Rockingham in front of the beautiful fountain where Saturday the streets will be filled and Mark McKinney and company will be here set up with live music for the Veterans Day celebration and parade. That starts at 12:30. Also, the Kids Zone and food trucks will be here at 12:30. At 2:15 or around 2:15, the All Veterans Jump Team will jump, and at 2:30, the parade in downtown Rockingham will start. Lineup for the parade will be at 12:30 in the DSS parking lot. Also, that morning at Rockingham VFW, there will be a Veterans Day ceremony. Carlton Hawkins and others at the VFW host this event every year to recognize our veterans, and lunch will follow before everyone comes over downtown at 12:30 to continue the celebration. Come out this weekend to downtown Rockingham, recognize and celebrate our veterans. Today, Thursday, November 4th, Simply Chic will host their Christmas open house starting at 5 o'clock. Also, the Speckled Paw will have live music with an open mic night from 6 to 8 p.m. Starting today in Hamlet at Ideal Farms, they will have a vintage flea market that will go on from today, November 4th, Thursday until Sunday, November 7th. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, it will be from 9 to 5, and on Sunday, it will be 12 to 4. Willow Tree here in downtown Rockingham will have their Christmas Wonderland Market Days Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday and Friday will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday will be from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. On Saturday, November 6th, in addition to the Veterans Day ceremony, celebration, and parade here in Rockingham, there are other events going on with the Christmas open house at Gifts for All Seasons starting at 10 a.m. Krystal Dawn Retreat will have a soul harvest from 1 to 7 p.m. and that night at Double Vision there will be a UFC fight airing with Skylar Whitfield. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Visit Richmond County, Richmond County Daily Journal, and also on our website. Visit richmondcounty.com and yourdailyjournal.com.